last time the High Court had directed municipality to give the list of illegal hoardings and what action they have taken. Most of the municipalities have filed reports and affidavits pointing out what action they have taken. CCP has filed an affidavit pointing out, I think they have taken action against something like 61 structures or hoardings where they have issued notice of removal. Similarly, other municipalities have also filed. Mapsa municipality has not filed so far, and some other municipalities. So they will have to now file the affidavit at the earliest. And the High Court has now said that the matter will be heard finally on this issue of removal of these hoardings, which are required to be removed because they offend the provisions of the building regulations and other regulations as decided by the High Court. See, casino hoardings are ordered to be removed by the CCP. There is already an order issued by the Commissioner of CCP. There are appeals filed by them before the government. One issue came up before the High Court was that these appeals have to be decided at the earliest. So those appeals will be now decided by the government at the earliest.
And what is the status regarding formulation of guidelines regarding this?
See, there was a committee constituted by the government for formulating a policy insofar as hoardings in the entire state are concerned. That term of that committee and the timeline was over. Therefore, we applied to the High Court for extension of time. That time has been extended by the High Court by another 3 months from today.